Data Future channel. This is Shekhar, and today we are going to see what is the RDD. So RDD is Resilient Distributed Dataset. So basically, whenever we talk about this Apache Spark, so in Apache Spark, the RDD is the basic data structure of Spark. So let us see. So RDD is the resilient distributed dataset, is a basic abstraction of Spark representing an unchanging set of element. Unchanging set of elements means it is immutable, so cannot be changed once it is created. Partitioned across the cluster nodes, allowing parallel computations. Yes, Apache Spark is basically a distributed and parallel computation infrastructure. So here the RDD is basically immutable set of elements, and which is logically partitioned across the cluster nodes for the distributed and the parallel computation. That is one. So it's a fundamental data structure of Apache Spark. It is developed by the Apache Software Foundation. Yes. And one more thing very important is immutable distributed collection of objects. Immutable distributed means immutable is not changeable. Once it is created, that cannot be changed. In RDD, each data set is divided into logical partition which may be computed on the different nodes of cluster. So the RDDs are in RDDs the data set is divided into logical partitions, and that partitions are computed on the different nodes parallelly. So this is the basically what exactly the RDD is. So what are the characteristics of the RDD? So the first one is the performance, consistency, and fault tolerance. So storing the data in the memory as well as the parallel processing, the RDD is efficient and very fast, because why it is fast, because it is distributed one and the parallel computation is carried out. The consistency wise, the content of RDD are immutable, that cannot be modified, so that the data, it provides the data stability. So that is second part. And third one is the fault tolerance. So are resilient, RDDs are resilient and can recompute missing and damaged partitions for a complete recovery if a node fails. So that is the one more, that is the one more advantage of RDD. The characteristic is the fault tolerance. So whenever one node fails, so that can be recomputed and the data can be recovered. So when to use the RDD, that is the one basic question. When data is unstructured, unstructured data sources may be media files or the text streams. In that case, we have to use the RDD. When transformation are a low level transformation, so in that case, data manipulation should be fast and straightforward. In that case, we can use the RDD. For the complex data transformation logic, we can't use RDD. Schema, whenever the schema is not important one, in that case we are using the RDD. So that is one. So advantages are based on the performance, it is very fast, consistency, it is stable, and fault tolerance means it can be recovered whenever one node is fails. When to use RDD? RDDs are used for the low level transformations, or used for the unstructured data, and where the schema is not important. So this is all about RDD. Thank you.